Hope you're okay. In today's video, I'll show you how to queue videos in YouTube. Now, I'll be showing you how to do this on a phone. As you can see, I have a phone right here. But also, I'll be mentioning a few other options that you can utilize on other devices like the desktop or even a TV. Now, queuing videos in YouTube basically allows you to create a temporary playlist that is different from a permanent playlist that once you close it or once you navigate out of it, it's going to close. And this playlist that you create, you can be able to watch a video or listen to a video or in picture in picture while browsing for other videos to add to that playlist. So for example, if you're watching a video like this one, and then minimize it to the picture-in-picture mode like that, you can continue scrolling as you're listening to that video and find other videos to add to it. Now, as you can see, once you tap on the three dots next to any video that you want to add, you should be able to see play next in queue, so you can add that particular video to that queue. And as you can see, the queue has been created down there. Now you can continue adding as many videos to it as you like, so go on adding videos to it. And here you can basically add those videos in whatever order that you want. As you can see, now that I have two videos added to that playlist, I have the option to play next in queue or play last in queue. So depending on where I want to add this video, I can either select play next or play last in the queue, and it's going to be saved just like that. Now, using this thumbnail at the bottom here, based on those videos that I've added, once I tap on it, I should be able to see the queue down here. So you can tap on that queue and you should be able to see the three videos that you've added to it. Now, you can reorder the videos in whatever order that you want by simply using this dragger or this slider to drag a video, let's say like this one. You can drag it to whatever place that you want it to stay, just like that. And you can also have the option to add even more videos to that queue from the recommended videos down here. Now, once you reorder those particular videos, or once you have those videos in that queue, you can also be able to tap on that button to replay that playlist once it ends, or you can tap on it again to repeat the current video that is playing, just like that, or you can tap on that to turn that option off. You also have the option to tap on shuffle, and it's going to shuffle between those videos that you've added to that particular playlist. Now, if you don't want that, you can also always toggle that off. And the other option that you have is to remove those particular videos from a playlist. Now, if you added a video accidentally and you want to remove it, all you have to do is simply swipe to the right, to the left, just like that, and you should see the bin icon. So tap on the bin icon to remove that particular video from the playlist. Now, if you want to save this particular playlist to become a permanent playlist, like I said, it's a temporary playlist as at current. Now, once I close or navigate out of it, it's going to completely disappear. So if you want to save it as a permanent playlist, simply tap on the three dots and then select save to playlist. And you can either save it to your existing playlists, or you can tap on new playlist to save it to a new playlist. Now, if you want to close the playlist entirely, then you have two options, or may have two options. The first option is to tap on the three dots and you should see clear entire playlist right here. Now, if this option is not available, you can simply navigate back to picture-in-picture mode, just like that. This is still the playlist that I have, that I'm currently playing. And to close it, all you have to do is tap on the X icon, just like that, and the queue is going to be cleared. Now, you can always undo that if you closed it accidentally, and it's going to resume playing the videos that it was playing before. Now, like I mentioned earlier, you have the option to use the queue feature also on Chromecast devices and also on the desktop interfaces. Now, if you're connected to a Chromecast device like a Google TV or a Google TV streamer, you have the option to add videos to a playlist. If, let's say, you and your friend have both your phones connected to the same Wi-Fi network and you're watching YouTube on your TV, then both of you can add to that particular queue. So you can go on doing the same thing that I showed you earlier, simply tapping on three dots and either selecting play next in queue or play last in queue, depending on the order that you want. Now, this allows you to basically have a common playlist that you can both contribute to by adding videos to it. If let's say you're having a party, or you are just having a session or a hangout session, you can both or most of you can continue adding to that playlist how you want. Now the videos are going to be added in order of how you add them, but you can always override that particular order by using the play next in queue option. If you want that video to play next, simply tap on play next and it's going to play next and override that order that it was in. Now, very important to know is that for you to use this feature, you can use it for free on the desktop, but if you want to use this feature on your mobile, then you'll have to have a YouTube Premium subscription to be able to enjoy it. But that's basically how to queue and how to use the queue feature for videos in YouTube. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. Don't forget to leave a like if this video was useful and subscribe to the channel. Until the next video, take care and God bless.